Perfect.
Nope, it's in gear. That's all right. I'll have to bring my jump pack with me. Take a look under her skirts here. Oh, that tire's still got some meat on her. Good springs. Got 49 ladder bars. Frame looks good. Someone torched off the rear bumper, unfortunately, but that's okay. We can fix that too. Not an original Mercury tailgate. This was welded in. Not a big deal. That's what I've seen in the pictures. She's tender. She needs that new hood that I found. Fenders are seeming pretty good. They're not flopping about. Doors aren't caved in. This paint job though is something to be had. Good white tires on it. Needs door pins. No, needs a door adjustment. That's what it needs. Okay, here we go. First gonna fire her up. Get her out the gate. We rented a U-Haul. Because, well, kind of missing some signal lights. So we want to make sure we're not going to run into any trouble. Oh, we got to turn the batteries on. Forgot to do that. There we go. Alright. Apparently my fat ass just barely fits in here.
it's supercharged.
Oh, it is. All right. Get my fingers out of there. Get the keys. Because we are all loaded up. The reason we're not driving it, even though we should do the old Vice Grip garage homage, I don't have time to come in here and fix the wiring. It's
Trying to wiggle that plug wire a little bit more.
shipping lot. I'm going to have to check the wires on the trailer too. Apparently the lights aren't working. The old barn doors are kind of flopping around here. No biggie. We can fix the barn doors. Oh, the lever's right there. No, pardon me. That's the throttle linkage. Manual, no cable. Got a free screwdriver, you know. Thanks, Steve. It's not in bad shape either. It's not all chewed up on the end. Looks like we got a, antique overflow can here. Put the front pocket find, thank you Derek, in my pocket. Oh, look at that, eh? We called making it. And, can't see if anything's in there. Looks like there might be something in there. Yep. Some form of liquid is in there. Got some really nice solid inner splash aprons. We have no internal heating. It's not hooked up. That's okay. We can hook them up. That's what this line here is. So we'll take this line off and we'll split it and we'll run it so we have winter heating, or at least cold day heating. She looks mean, but the barn doors are just kind of flapping in the breeze here. Yeah, looks mean. Not supercharger though. That's where she's got the juice. Yeah, so the fenders are solid. Does need some rubber grommets or bushings or window seals in here and on the other side. The doors are sealed. The box is unrestored. An unrestored box. It's had one patch in here. Needs some patching there. Got a holes there. Got a hole over there where the spare tire carrier is. But we're not going to be using a spare tire, so that's not a big deal. The tailgate is Frenched in or fixed. So, spare tire carrier. This will come out, and then I can just patch this in. Open this up here a bit, and then patch this crosser, and then weld it all back together, and put this in here and put a piece of plate in there. Go about it like my Uncle Roy would have. Just fix it and make it work. The inside. I see someone has attempted a fix in here. Not too bad, but again, that's an easy fix. So you can just, here we can just cut this out. And I can put in an actual piece in here and then here. So that's pretty good. Now, I don't know about this floor. It looks solid enough. Maybe it's got the old Vice Grip garage license plates. But she seems solid. Handy dandy brake pedal something or other there. Oh, that's the clutch. Okay, so she's gonna I do have a slave cylinder for a clutch too, but this will be a manual linkage and all that. And we may put an automagical in this thing. So it does have, well, it's got all the controls down there for a 3 on the tree. No power steering. She's all manual. Mexican overdrive steering. Let's see what the stick looks nice and clean. No shiny stuff in there. He did say it gets blow by, and that'll be from that beast right there. Ouch! That thing just bit me. There's your fuel pump block off there. Fuel pressure regulator here. Looks like a fuel filter right here too that leaks. And it's got 1 or 2 adapters in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 maybe. So kind of clean some of that out. But looks interesting. The old zip disc 10,000 cutting the hood. So like I said, we'll get an aluminum radiator for it. We're going to plug in some heat so we have heat. We're not going to reef on the hood here. The hood was closing crooked. I'm not sure why. This side was high and that side was low. So we're going to have to work with it a bit here and see what we can do.